Hello and welcome to my channel, fellow learners. Today, we're delving into Class 9 English, Unit 4, Life and Death. Reading 1, Death is a Fiction, Exercise Solution. If you find value in our discussions and solutions, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming lessons and helpful content. A. Find the words from the text that have the following meanings. A thing that is imagined. Answer. Fiction. B. A way of looking at something. Answer. Perspective. C. To force somebody to leave. Answer. Dislodge. D. Faced somebody so that you could not avoid. Answer. Confronted. E. To make somebody feel better. Answer. Solace. B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. A. Death is a fiction created by human beings. B. Ultimately, we are moving straight to the grave. C. According to the speaker, death is confirmed. It is sure to happen. D. Human beings have corrupted everything and they have twisted it whichever way they want. C. Answer the following questions. A. According to the speaker, there is only life. How? Answer. According to the speaker, there is only life because life is a continuous process, moving from one dimension to another. B. According to the speaker, what is life? Answer. According to the speaker, life is the process of existence, which includes both inhalation, life, and exhalation, death. C. Why is there nothing wrong with death? Answer. There is nothing wrong with death because it is a natural part of life. Without death, there would be no life. D. Why do we fear death? Answer. We fear death because we do not fully understand it and because it represents the unknown. The fear of death arises from the uncertainty of what happens after death and the attachment to life. E. Why do people have an idea of death? Answer. People have an idea of death because it has been talked about and discussed, even though their understanding of it may be limited or based on beliefs and assumptions. D. What is your view about death? Write a short paragraph. Answer. Death is a natural part of life's cycle. It marks the end of an individual's time in the physical world, and many cultures and philosophies have their own interpretations of what happens thereafter. Some people view death as a transition to another state of existence or a different journey, while others see it as the final cessation of consciousness. It's a universal experience that every living being will encounter, and it often brings about reflection on the value and meaning of life. It's important to approach the topic with sensitivity, as it can evoke a range of emotions and thoughts. Grammar 1. A. Rewrite the following sentences using the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. A. The winter follows the autumn season. B. The human body consists of some 60 trillion individual cells. C. Cows feed on grass. D. He earns a handsome salary every month. E. Akila makes delicious cookies. F. Arati and her husband live in Singapore. G. Do you like chocolate milk? H. He does not want to go to the movies. I. My grandfather adores his pet dog. J. Plants need water and sunlight for photosynthesis. K. He has a big apartment in Venice. B. Make a statement or a question using these prompts. Use the present simple. Answers. A. I do not check my emails when I get to school. Do you check your emails when you get to school? B. Do you watch the news on TV every day? C. She wears a red dress. C. Do you have a school bus? D. What do you want to drink? E. You do not need more reading practice. F. Your friend does not like computer games. Does your friend like computer games? G. Mom washes the car once a week. Does mom wash the car once a week? C. Change the following sentences into negative and question. A. The swimming pool opens every day at 9:30 a.m. B. I use my car very often. C. John comes from Mexico. D. I play the piano very well. E. Anne watches television a lot. F. I write to my parents every month. G. This car breaks down every 5 hours. Answers. A. Does the swimming pool open every day at 9:30 a.m.? The swimming pool does not open every day at 9:30 a.m. B. I do not use my car very often. Do you use your car very often? C. Does John come from Mexico? John does not come from Mexico. D. I do not play the piano very well. Do you play the piano very well? E. Anne does not watch television a lot. Does Anne watch television a lot? F. I do not write to my parents every month. Do you write to your parents every month? G. This car does not break down every 5 hours. Does this car break down every 5 hours? Writing 1. Look at the picture of a veteran actress who passed away in 2019 AD. Write a message of condolence to her family on behalf of your school. It will be published in a local newspaper. Use the clues given in the box below. Subhadra Adhikari, 1946-2019, passed away at her residence, Kathmandu, due to respiratory problems. Famous and well-known senior actress, contributed a lot to the Nepali film industry. Basanti, Basudev, Munna Madan, Chino among superhits. Heartfelt condolences. Heartfelt condolences. D. O. B. 1946. Photo. D.O. D. 2019. It is with heavy hearts that we, the faculty and students of Marigold Secondary School, extend our deepest condolences to the family of the late Subhadra Adhikari. She passed away at her residence in Kathmandu due to respiratory problems. Subhadra Adhikari was not just a name but a legendary figure in the Nepali film industry. Her remarkable contributions to cinema have left an indelible mark on the hearts of countless admirers. Her performances in films such as Basanti, Basudev, Munna Madan, and Chino have become iconic, showcasing her exceptional talent and dedication to her craft. Her legacy will continue to inspire generations of aspiring actors and filmmakers. In this time of profound sorrow, we offer our heartfelt condolences to her bereaved family. With sympathy, Amar Shah, Principal, Marigold Secondary School, Damak, Japa. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more. I will be right back.